How to password protect a folder on Windows. Hey everyone, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily password protect a folder. So the first thing you're going to have to do is select your folder that you want to password protect. So I've got few files inside this folder. What I'm going to do is right click on it and then go to properties. Now you are going to have to go to security tab. You can see other tabs like general, sharing, previous versions, customize. So go to security and then go to advanced. You could also change the permissions so that others cannot access it, or you could just go to advanced and then you can change the option and you can disable the inheritance as well. I'm not going to do that right now. So what I can do is go to general, click on advanced, and then you're going to have this option called encrypt content to secure data. Currently, this is not available on my region, but if it is on yours, just select this option, click on next, and then you're going to have to set up your password, and you can only open up the file after entering the password. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.